Embark on an unforgettable adventure where the animal kingdom comes alive like never before. The ultimate animal mission takes you on a thrilling expedition through bustling zoos, peaceful farms, and untamed wilderness, introducing you to incredible creatures from around the globe. Whether it's a clever fox darting through the forest, a mighty lion patrolling the savannah, or a friendly cow grazing in the pasture, every animal has a role to play in this grand journey. Get ready to witness teamwork, bravery. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered. Cats were revered in ancient Egypt and were often associated with the goddess Bastet. Killing a cat, even accidentally, was punishable by death. Cats are still used as pest controllers in places like farms, warehouses, and even the British Parliament. Moose are found in the northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in boreal and mixed deciduous forests, often near lakes, rivers, or wetlands. Moose are preyed upon by wolves, bears, and occasionally cougars. Their browsing habits can shape the structure of forests and wetlands. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts, making them the fastest land animal. Cheetahs rely more on stealth and speed rather than strength, as they aren't the strongest predators. Cheetahs have semi-retractable claws that provide extra grip. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to stay in flocks. They feel stressed and vulnerable when separated from the group. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 individual sheep and humans for years. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history, from transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport. Alligators have excellent night vision and a highly developed sense of smell. They also have specialized sensory organs called integumentary sensory organs, ISOs, on their jaws. Alligators play a crucial role in their ecosystems by creating alligator holes. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and females up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and from tall trees, especially acacia trees. Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the Flamingos inhabit parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They thrive in warm, watery environments like lagoons, estuaries, and salt flats. Flamingos create cone-shaped nests out of mud, Chicks can belong to any bird species, but they are most commonly associated with chickens. Other birds, like ducks, geese, and turkeys, also have chicks. When chicks hatch, they are covered in soft, fluffy down feathers, which provide insulation and keep them warm. Squirrels belong to the family Sciuridae, which includes tree squirrels, ground squirrels, flying squirrels, chipmunks, marmots, and prairie dogs. Squirrels are known for burying nuts and seeds to save for later. Thanks to their spatial memory, owls have specialized feathers that reduce noise, allowing them to fly almost silently. This helps them sneak up on their prey without being detected. Owls have strong, sharp talons for catching and gripping prey. They can exert a crushing force to subdue their meals. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. A pride's territory can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, 150 to 295 kilograms. Black panthers are solitary and territorial animals, much like their non-melanistic counterparts. Black panthers have been revered in many cultures and are often associated with mystery, power, and stealth. Black panthers are not a distinct species, but rather a color variant of leopards or jaguars caused by melanism. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive, especially if they feel threatened. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. Typically 6 to 11 hours. They prefer to graze in the early morning and late afternoon. As these animals set out on a mission full of surprises. From the playful antics of zoo animals to the hardworking heroes of the farm, this adventure showcases the unique personalities and skills of each creature.